You have two ways to change the unit system in SolidWorks. Let's here see how to do that. We'll start by click to the parts, click in the parts, and once I am in, I will here change just to the plain white. Okay, now we'll go to the menu toolbar and select the option. Come here to the options, select, and I click. Let's here wait a little bit until we go to the system option. So I will change to the document properties, click document properties, and then select the units. So from here, I have all these options, right? So right now it is in the mmgs, millimeter, gram, and second, and I will change to another unit system I want. So we have here different options. So we have the IPS, we'll change to the IPS, inch, pound, second. You can as well use the CGS, centimeter, gram, second, or MKS, meter, kilogram, second. So, but I will here keep with the IPS. Select, and once I select, I will go down and I click OK. Come here, click OK. So if you see down in the right corner, you will see the IPS, which is inch, pound, second, the one I simply changed. So that one way. The second way is by simply come here to the down. There is this black arrow. We'll simply click there and you will see the same option we saw in document properties. So come here and then click down. If I click here, right, we'll see as well the MKS, CGS, MMGS. So we'll here I can change from here, so it is fast CGS, but I will keep with the MMGS. So that way we can change in using one of these ways. So I hope you liked, and please don't forget to subscribe and see you to the next one.